CA's decision on Vinesh Phogat's appeal against disqualification from the Olympic finals has been deferred till August the 13th. This is also even after the game. The game's really close. That's the breaking right now that we have a confirmation on. A story first here tracked by Karishma. And remember, as she was having this conversation with us here on the channel, she actually did say that she's got that message. That message later gets deleted. But that is the confirmation now coming in that the judgment stands postponed till the 13th. So this means that the judgment is expected only once the games close on the 11th. We'll try and see if we can get Karishma and Arunil back with us. Arunil, why should this be taking time? You know, and also till even the games get closed. Earlier it was like, what the initial indication was that before the games close, we'll have a verdict. Then it was that it has taken an extension of 24 hours. Now it has been deferred till the 13th. Arunil.
Well, considering that it is taking more time now, whether there is more hope that it might go in the favor of Vinesh Phogat, because according to several sports administrators, in fact, Adil Subaliwala also had said that probably there is no chance for Vinesh Phogat because such a case has happened in the past wherein athletes, particularly in contact sport, who contest in weight categories, whenever they are found to be overweight, disqualification immediately takes place. But in the case of Vinesh Phogat, how the case has been presented by Mr. Haris Salve as well as by the IOA, how the communication has been made by...
Arunil, just give me a moment. I'm told Karishma is back. She's joining us live from Paris. Karishma, what can you tell us?
Well, Deepthi, what I can tell you is first we were being told that it is 13th August, but I have now official confirmation and I'm going to read out to you breaking development. The ad hoc division of the Court of Arbitration for Sports has extended time till 6 p.m. on August 11th, 2024 for the sole arbitrator, Honorable Dr. Annabel Bennett, in the Vinesh Phogat versus United World Wrestling and the International Olympic Committee to issue a decision. The reasoned order will be issued at a later date. So now 24 hours more. Tomorrow at 6 p.m., 9:30 p.m. is IST is when we can expect an order in the Vinesh Phogat versus the UWW case. This is what we are being told, and this is a big development. They were already a 24-hour extension, and now another 24-hour extension has been given.
Karishma, why? I mean, have you been able to speak to absolutely anyone to understand what is causing this delay?
Well, yes, you know, what I have been learning from my sources is that there are possibly one or two more questions that have been asked of Vinesh's lawyers, and they probably need time to answer those questions, and that is why 24 hours more have been sought. There was initially some confusion where we were being told that it is going to be 13th August, but then, you know, in earlier Court of Arbitration for Sport has said that before the end of Olympics, they are going to give an order, and now they are standing by that. Tomorrow, 8 p.m. local time is when the closing ceremony is starting. So one can expect that before that, the order will be coming on the Vinesh Phogat versus the UWW case. And from what I understand, obviously there's some more information sought, there's some more questions sought, but you know, more the delay, more the hope of a shared silver increases.
But, you know, Karishma, there is another way to look at this. You know, what Sanjay actually just indicated, that maybe we are just raising our hopes. You know, this is normal, this is routine, because clearly whatever the court today decides could have huge ramifications, not just on Vinesh's case, but I think elsewhere also. And is this going to be retrospective? You know, keeping in mind that these are changes we'll be looking going ahead. What about Vinesh's case, the case in point?
Arbitration of Sport has extended the deadline till
Deepthi, let's look at it in this way. There is a wrestler, Rei Higuchi. He was fighting in Tokyo Olympics. It was his home Olympics, and there he was 50 grams overweight. He couldn't fight, and he had to let go of his weight category. Today in Paris 2024, he has won the gold medal. And when Vinesh wrote that tweet of her retirement, it was Rei Higuchi who quote-tweeted it and said that I understand where Vinesh is coming from. We should rise from our setbacks. Don't let the voices circumstances around us affect us. So this is not the first time that something like this has happened in wrestling. Like I said, if we go completely by rule book, then it looks like an open and shut case that we weren't within the rules, and that is why the silver won't be given. But that is not what Vinicius' lawyers have fought on. They have fought on the fundamental rights and the physical integrity of the athlete and of a person's life as a sportswoman. So obviously all of that put together must have made for some interesting arguments, and that is why time after time has been sought. We were told the 24 hours today extension was there, 6 p.m. today, and now there is another 24-hour extension. Tomorrow 6 p.m. is when we are being told that an interim order will come, and the reasoned order, whatever the interim order is going to be, the reasons to back it up will come up at a later date, because the immediate need is to tell us whether a shared silver is going to be given or not.
And I know, Karishma, that this is speculation, but there are so many viewers watching this broadcast who want me to ask you one question. That if, the court has to say a no, will it be seeking an extension? Clearly, we're obviously being very, very hopeful because this is our medal, this is our Vinicius medal. But to say no, should the court be looking at least 2 extensions back to back, or there is more to the story?
Yes, Deepthi, we have to understand that I'm sure the judge who is, presiding over this case wants to be very, very sure of the order that she's going to pass, and she doesn't want anything to be left to say. So she must have more questions that must have been asked about the arbitrators. We were told earlier that, footage of Vinicius' bouts were also sought by, the judge presiding over the case. So obviously there must have been more questions. Whether it is a yes or a no is obviously we'll have to wait till 6 p.m. tomorrow and then understand what exactly the interim decision is going to be. But yes, like I said, more the delay, the hopes of a shared silver increase. But we will really have to wait and see, because, the rule book is very, very strict. And one thing that probably goes against Vinicius, that these rules weren't made in this Olympics. They have been followed for very, very long, from tournament to tournament. And this is something that UWW has argued and has been backed by the International Olympic Committee. So it's really on the points that India has stood its ground, which is, like I said, the fundamental rights and the physical integrity of the athlete and what happens. And we were, speaking to some wrestling coaches yesterday as well, and they said that, probably even if it doesn't go in Vinicius' favor, maybe there will be a decision or an interim order that could help us, better the next Olympic cycle. Like for now, there are 12 hours. Maybe they will take into consideration that 12 hours are less, and then for LA 2028, the rules could change and they could give you 14 hours or 16 hours or whatever they think is better, or set up a committee to look into the rules again. So a lot of it is possible. Maybe they are looking into these deliberations as well as to what they can do for future to better the life of athletes, because wrestling is very, very hard, and we've seen what these athletes do to bring their weight down.
Oh, absolutely.
And the entire medical teams are involved. So obviously I think the judge is wanting to be very, very sure before the order is given. And like I said, my sources have confirmed that 2 or 3 questions have been asked, and that is why another extension has been sought.
Okay, Karishma, I'll let you go only for now to figure out what really are these questions, because that possibly again could give an indication of which way things possibly are moving. We are full of hope. We really hope and pray that there could be some miracle and she gets what she deserves.